when it's a matter of life or death, or commitments met or missed, your radio is vital to your success. With so much at stake, you can't afford your radio battery to fail, because it can't stand up to the punishment your job dishes out. Fortunately, the hazards that knock out ordinary radio batteries don't affect ours. That's because we build Motorola batteries to be the toughest and most reliable in the industry. Unlike other brands, our design process starts with you in mind. When you told us you needed a radio battery that could work if dropped, we constructed ours with heavier casing and sturdier circuitry. When you said it had to perform, even when shaken vigorously, we built ours with greater shock-absorbing materials. And when you explained your concern for static electricity, we opted to use only premium-grade battery cells for better resistance to electrical jolts. Then we tested them against the same grueling conditions you'd expect at work. We dropped them against concrete, shook them vigorously for hours, and repeatedly zapped them with electricity. All this so you can do your best, knowing your radio battery can endure the worst. Motorola batteries. Proven tough. Experience the difference.